Hello and welcome to Cricket Next. मैं हूं सौम्य कपूर and the ICC 4-day annual conference concluded with the annual general meeting today, and there are some notable developments from it. Well, to talk more about it in detail, I have with me Sahil Malhotra. Sahil, welcome to Cricket Next first of all. Secondly, एक बहुत important development है about India Pakistan. क्या है वो development? Please डिटेल में बताइए.
Yes, Soumya, you're right. The ICC annual conference, which started in Colombo on July 19th, has finally ended today. 4-day event, lots of meetings between associate members, regional representatives, ICC board, Financial and Commercial Affairs Committee, the Chief Executive Committee, and finally the board met today in the morning. And then it was followed by the annual journal meeting. And there was a lot of chatter before this annual conference about
Yeah.
what's going to happen with regards to Champions Trophy, whether India will agree to Pakistan, whether Pakistan will pressurize India. All those things were being discussed, but nothing of that sorts have been discussed
Yeah.
across 4 days. No India-Pakistan discussion, no BCCI, PCB discussion took place even on the sidelines of the event. I confirmed it with the ICC official. I confirmed it with the BCCI official who was there for all 4 days. The ICC official clearly said that it wasn't on the agenda, so it wasn't even brought up ड्यूरिंग दी एजीएम जो उसका 9th पॉइंट था आई थिंक उसमें एनी अदर बिजनेस या अदर बिजनेस करके एक पॉइंटर लिखा हुआ था सो इट वाजंट इवन ब्रॉट अप देन एंड as far as the sideline conversation is concerned, a BCCI official said, as I wrote in the story for Cricket Next, which went up like 10 minutes ago, it's not a bilateral tour where BCCI and PCB will hold discussions. It's up to the PCB it's up to the ICC to kind of sort out what's going to happen next year. Just like ACC, the Asian Cricket Council, sorted it out for BCCI and PCB when a hybrid model was proposed and implemented for 2023 edition of the Asia Cup. The
Yeah.
tournament again, like Champions Trophy, Pakistan were the host nations of the Asia Cup, but the tournament was played in a hybrid model with Sri Lanka hosting India's games and also the knockout fixtures of the tournament. So let's see what kind of arrangement will be worked out for Champions Trophy, as it's very, very highly unlikely that India will travel to Pakistan for the Champions Trophy. But Pakistan are continuing with their side of the story that they'll host the entire tournament in Pakistan. So let's see what really happens, how ICC kind of tackles this situation. But as
Yeah.
far as this annual conference in Colombo is concerned, no dialogue, no chatter
Yeah.
on Champions Trophy between BCCI and PCB or on any ICC forum.
ओके, जस्ट वांट टू आस्क फॉर आवर व्यूअर्स कि ये अगर अभी बात नहीं हुई है बिकॉज देयर हैव बीन रिपोर्ट्स देयर इज हाई लाइकली पॉसिबिलिटी दैट इंडिया वोंट ट्रैवल टू पाकिस्तान एंड
Yeah.
उनकी अपना डायलॉग चल रहा है अबाउट चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी की हम करेंगे एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट बट द इवेंचुअल जो एक रिजल्ट है वो कब डिसाइड होगा कैसे डिसाइड होगा बिकॉज यू हैव टू बिकॉज उसके बाद भी कहीं ना कहीं रिपरकशंस बातें डायलॉग स्टार्ट होंगे. So what are the plannings that ICC is doing, or probably the members of the board of different, of the two sides are doing?
See, I think it's up to the ICC now to take the initiative. Probably closer to the tournament, they'll seek India's status. What's happening with India? India, in due course of time, I think I'm expecting them to submit their side of the story to the ICC, saying that the government hasn't given them the necessary clearance. That is how it is supposed to be done. And until and unless there's a change of guard and the government gives them the clearance, which is like again very highly unlikely. So if that doesn't happen, I think that is the route which is likely to be followed, and then ICC, PCB, and all these stakeholders can kind of sit and discuss and chart the way forward, because BCCI's role or Indian government's role ends by saying that there's a security concern for our players, so we are not comfortable sending them there. Now, can they afford to not have India in a ICC tournament? We are like, kind of, you're kidding me if they kind of even entertain that thought in their
हाँ.
head right now. There just can't be a ICC tournament without India.
Okay, that I agree. Looking at the fan following and everything, fan bases, you
Yeah,
can't have a tournament without India. But जो ICC के powers हैं,
yeah.
what can they do? How can they penalize Indian cricket or BCCI if India doesn't, if India refuses to travel to Pakistan for this particular tournament? Power के हिसाब से क्या कर सकती है ICC? What can they do? Obviously, social media पे chatter होगा, that is a different case. But उसके अलावा
आईसीसी कुछ नहीं कर सकती. आईसीसी क्या करेगी? आईसीसी रिक्वेस्ट कर सकती है, पोलाइटली लेटर्स लिख सकती है, बॉम्बे आके बीसीसीआई को कन्विंस करने की कोशिश कर सकती है.
yeah.
उसमें बीसीसीआई सिंपल बोलेगा सरकार से बात करो, दिल्ली बात करो, स्पीक टू द रेलेवेंट relevant agencies in the government of India, relevant offices, I would say, in
Yeah.
the relevant security agencies. So, iske andar ICC can, all they can do is request and hope India travel to Pakistan, but that is hoping against hope. That is not
Yeah.
very likely to happen.
Yeah. Now coming to the next part of this, AGM जो conclude हुई है कोलंबो में. Coming to the USA part, what is the update? क्या उनके अगेंस्ट क्या हुआ है, क्योंकि वर्ल्ड कप में बहुत सारा fiasco हुआ है. So what is the update?
So very important developments here, as we have been like reporting for the last 10, 12 months now. Firstly, I'll talk about USA cricket. USA cricket have been finally put on notice. Now we have said in an earlier video about what on notice means. So I'll repeat for the viewers who are watching probably our video for the first time. So on notice means that it's a sanction which puts you closer to suspension. So now that ICC has formally placed Cricket Chile and USA Cricket on notice, it means that for the next 12 months, ICC will be closely monitoring their progress so that they remain compliant to ICC's membership criteria. And in US, because they know that it's a notorious organization who have done notorious things in the last 24 months, so they have put a normalization committee, which will be consisting of ICC board members and representatives who will be closely tracking and controlling what is happening in USA cricket, because they gave them a free hand, they allowed them to function in their own way, but it led to termination of 4 CEOs in the last couple of years. And I got a letter this morning. I wanted to put that letter out earlier in the day, but I thought सस्पेंशन तो होने ही, मतलब नोटिस पे आने ही वाले हैं, तो तब हमारे रीडर्स और व्यूअर्स को कहानी पूरे विस्तार में बताएंगे. So I was reading that 10-page document, which was addressed by 3 directors of USA Cricket. So the details of those letters, yeah, those are like disturbing details about how control has just gone all over the place, how a couple of influential people are controlling what's happening in USA Cricket, right from administration to cricketing matters, how a CEO allegedly, Dr. Noor Murad, who was not allowed to function the way he would have liked, and he played a big role in Afghanistan cricket reaching where it has right now. He was there when Afghanistan cricket was taking baby steps and saw those teething problems from close quarters. So Dr. Noor Murad was his contract was terminated, and from what I've heard, he has already sent a legal notice to the USA cricket body, seeking some financial compensation from what I've heard. But I'll kind of try finding out more details about what his notice or the legal paperwork which he has initiated. Now I think USA Cricket Chairman Venu Pisiki has to do a lot. He is currently in the chair, and the pressure is going to be immense from the members, from the other office bearers, because see, आपको पहले तो वर्ल्ड कप के अंदर इन्होंने कुछ नहीं करने दिया, एक अलग कंपनी बन गई T20 वर्ल्ड कप एक, अब आपको थैंक यू बाय बाय बोल दिया नोटिस पे डाल के. सो अब आप लाइक क्या करेंगे, अब आप एमएलसी के स्टैंड्स में बैठ के एक्रेड लेके बैठेंगे, आपकी ऑफिस बियरर है. लॉट नीड्स टू बी डन यार. एंड cricketing wise, there's no dearth of talent in the USA, thanks to the people who have moved from India, Pakistan, New Zealand, West Indies to the USA. We saw what they did. They started Pakistan, challenged India, reached the Super 8s, looked very good. And it's a matter of time, yeah, before they start challenging the big boys. And then there's LA 2028 Olympics going to happen. So
Yeah.
a stable, a robust cricket structure and a cricket body in the US is need of the hour, and it hasn't been the case. Now, second important development, Soumya, is that there will be a review of what has happened during the delivery of the T20 World Cup 2024. Again, that delivery, I think, जो main वो review होने वाला है, it's about the USA leg of the T20 World Cup, how the budgets were overshot, how ICC took everyone for a free ride, and so much money was spent. So a lot of officials will be questioned. Their role will be under the scanner. And the T20 Inc., the company which I've been repeatedly talking about, there's a gentleman called Brett Jones who was the CEO of that company. And from what I heard, he was handpicked by certain ICC employees who are still in the ICC offices and were part of the ICC annual conference in Colombo too. So all those things will be discussed, and there will be a 3-member committee. From what ICC have told us, it will be consisting of Roger Toos, Lawson Naidu, and Imran Khwaja. All three of them will be conducting that. The review will be overseen by these three people who are like known and very well respected on the ICC board. So it remains to be seen. The review is supposed to be completed by the end of the year. So 2-3 महीने के अंदर आपको क्लियर पिक्चर लगेगा कितना पैसा किसका कौन सी पानी की बोतल पे खर्च हुआ. बट इंटरेस्टिंग डे फॉर क्रिकेट एंड
Hmm.
to everyone
But
surprise, no
before
chatter on
before
it.
before we end the sessions, I just want to ask you, where does this leave USA cricket right now? क्योंकि as you
Yeah.
said, ठीक है, Olympics में भी time है, LA Olympics में, and certain things they have also qualified for the next T20 World Cup, if I'm
Yes,
not
because they
mistaken.
ended in the Super
They
8s,
ended
correct.
Super 8s, yeah. So
Yes.
where does that leave the USA cricket team and the USA cricket?
See, if they don't do anything, they just have 12 months. अगर 12 महीने में कुछ नहीं हुआ, सस्पेंड हो जाएगा. ICC right now can't afford suspension of the USA. That is why they have a normalization committee.
Okay.
कमिटी इसीलिए वहां पर है क्योंकि यूएसए को यू कांट अफोर्ड अ सस्पेंशन. यू जस्ट वांट थिंग्स टू बी पुट इन ऑर्डर. You want certain people doing the right job the right way, and that is why you have a normalization committee, because LA 2028 Olympics is at stake. Our ICC, but they've worked really hard for cricket's entry into the Olympics. They've rallied and lobbied the right amount of people to get behind their cause, and it has actually happened. So LA 2028 is there even before the 26 T20 World Cup. I think LA 2028 सबके दिमाग में रहेगा, क्योंकि अगर मैं एक एक्सट्रीम केस की बात करूं, सस्पेंशन हो भी गया, यूएसए 2026 वर्ल्ड कप नहीं भी खेलता, किसी को इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा सिवाय उन एक्सपैट्स के जो यहाँ से अपना घर बार छोड़कर या कहीं से भी गए हैं. बट 2028 विल बी एम्बैरेसिंग अगर वो नहीं हो पाता या उस लेवल के ऊपर कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है.
Okay. Well, thank you, Sahil. Thank you for your insights from this update. दोबारा जुड़ेंगे और वर्ल्ड क्रिकेट के बारे में आपसे बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे. Thank you so much for joining us.